to feed your kudos. What is the music channel? These guys, they kind of nothing to do. Look, nothing in this game is dangerous. Right? Well, other than you, just spam click it. The roads, everything on the other side. Man. Alright. So it's a new day, so spawns should be new. So if I'm fast enough, I should be able to get lots of slides. So let's just see if there's anything here. And I also should be on the lookout for mint mango, which are fruits. They all need to be on trees and such, but I only found them like randomly on the ground. Didn't actually find them like on a tree that was on his line. And mango, give me that. Slime bastard. No, there's a hunting wood. Slime. I don't care about hunting. Wait. Oh, I thought I saw a honey slime. Oh, we're here? Yeah, that's where the bridge is. Need to go like so. Something like that is the path, so we'll just go. Go! Go! Too easy, boy. Alright, yeah. So we could just go through all and skip the entire path. There we go. And now we're on the dangerous island of Doom. Why did you get visible? Is that what Hunter Slime is? Is that what you find them? You guys are so cute! Hunter Plort, Hunter Plort. Our hunter and colony slime. Wait, no, this one. Oh, you're free. And so it must change. And there, I just need to get my same mistake. Really, we can dodge. Well, there we go. We gotta whoa, leave me alone. Wait, what do you guys eat? Fruit and oh, so I can just feed you food. I just hope that what's your like favorite still? Because if it's fruit, then it's not a problem. If it's meat, then it's save it. Or I can open it. What do you have? No, I don't want. I don't care. Oh, that reminds me. Can I get frozen anywhere here? No. But I should just try to find a place. Well, now I can see where mint mangoes come. These little boys. These are trees where they fall from. And but honeycombs are really rare, or they're just hard to find. But I went like full circle. I'm now moving back. I think the only which I'm gonna get them is via this island or here, because one thing which I know is the place where I currently have found honeysuckle, it was here. Unless there's lots of dots, which are like flowers. So maybe they spawn like close to flowers. Put that. God damn, he just ate something. Also, I hope it gives us different materials. It doesn't really matter. Like, I'll get them anyway. I'll just know to not place it here anymore. Oh my god, there's so many. Wow. Candlebox. Candlebox has something useful. Exact. It's a cosmetic. I do not care. It's still more useful than so. Alright, where are we now? Did I go the right way? I am going the right way. Alright, calm down. For some reason, water was like that. If you just throw water at a sound, calm down. Like, calm down! Calm down! Alright, now on the right path. I am. Hello there. Honey, holder. What shall you give me? We need to head home because we need to get a place for the honey slimes. And that's really it because we didn't get any honey slimes. Why is it so hard to get random ass cool slimes? Where am I? How am I supposed to go back up here? Is there like any other way? Can I? I'm just gonna parkour. Kinda, Oh, fat slime, right. Fat that don't work. That don't work. And we're here. Back. I'm gonna throw this honey flip away because it's useless to me. I just noticed that there's a teleporter right here. I could teleport from. Maybe no, you can give me your. Well, we're back at the ranch, and we have 16 honey slimes, so I think they would be a perfect add to this beautiful forest place. They just fit. You gotta understand they fit. And honey slimes, mint mango, my favorite food. All the get all and well, that's good. Ooh, advanced drill 2. I mean, advanced drill. So you guys said a small bit. And 100, infinite 100, infinite 100. Even if it may not seem like infinite 100, it's a big deal. 100 more makes you slime. What do you? Ah! Wait, oh! You just tried to bite me? When you ate my meat? Huh? Because I don't like it when you go. Look, here's a rooster. Are you happy now? Yeah, he's happy. And that's his favorite food. Huh. But yeah, 100 words mean basically infinite 100 stars. They aren't actual fully 100 stars. So I'm gonna try to go. I'm going the wrong way. I'm trying to go up here. Whatever. Getting 100 slimes might be hard, but making more 100 slime, which really just. Oh no, I completely forgot that. That has I'm just slime. But yeah, because of my HP. What is this even called? Yeah, they're larvas. I hate making larvas because they easily mix up the words and then this actually happens to me. But I like having this normal stuff. Only one normal doing and it's good. So I guess I just need to collect them if I want. I can just leave them alone and not get them, but who wants to do that? You know what? Instead of taking the which is one of the things I really faster, I'm gonna take the safe route. All the time. Yeah. Oh, got one. You know, I killed those ones. I don't care, they're all like pink. Even worse than just pink. Oh, he killed a tabby. Why's water so slow? Damn. But yeah. I'm gonna try to get them. Also, that's fair. But that's still dangerous. That one job. It's still dangerous. But now we could just go home and well, do you have a key? Give me your key. Yeah, no. It's not good to have a key. That way it seems that there's no chicken. Whatever. Let's get home. Just yeah. I would love to do this in this slime just right here and let him hunt his own chicken. But then it would be the problem of finding them and other stuff. So hunter stuff is just gonna be here. Alright, and then hundreds of just chickens spawning around. love it here. Next episode, we should probably get ourselves the pump, maybe the novice. Oh, any of these, because I think don't actually. The one thing which I definitely want to get is this, the teleport. But I don't think it's that necessary. So I guess we'll see you guys next time, where I hope we can get more of those things, and maybe move up to the next area.